Hi there, in this video we'll be installing some FroGums number 77 mats in the Ford Kuga from 2016. This is exactly what they are good for, so even for escapes and Kuga MK2s. We already have some in the C-Max of my wife. They are not rubber, they are a sort of elastic plastic, rubberized plastic. They are highly resilient, easy to clean, fit very well and stay in place, and are not damaged by high heels. So yeah, they are freaking awesome. Bought some also for the Kuga, and let's install them and see how well they fit here. And I will link the C-Max video in the description if you want even more details. And put the first one in. Look at this fit. It's absolutely perfect and not moving anywhere. Even if it doesn't bolt into anything, it will not move because it has a perfect shape. So we are kind of ready. Yes, we will vacuum the car a little bit, but it's raining now and we want these things in. Also on this side, just needs to go under there. And again, absolute perfect fit. This is how mats should be. And this is how the passenger one fits. It's absolutely perfect in my opinion. I cannot see it fitting better than this, honestly. Let's do also the driver one. Another absolute perfect fit for the driver one. So yeah, is this better than rubber? For me, it is. It's easier to clean and it seems to be longer lasting. Many other people swear by rubber. We have them in the Kuga, they are great. Decided to get them also here and hope everything is fine. If you want to know more about the lines that FroGum has, these are some Pro line, dry zone. Tells you about the material exactly, so they are TPEs. And in here for the mats, so these are the trunk liners and the mats. So number 77 is what we have. They have also Pro line. Feel free to pause and read about them. And this one El Toro. Okay, interesting. And in here, yeah, and too low battery to have flash anymore, sorry about that. So only El Toro is rubber, others are TPE. And more info about everything. We really like the number 77, but indeed we didn't test the others, so yeah, I don't know. Others could be cool also. These seem to be a higher type of tray than the 77s, and these look like the old style mats. So yeah, not for me. Maybe this would be nice, but probably more expensive than the 77s. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Again, these things fit incredibly well. We really like that they are highly durable. No issues with the ones from the C-Max for 3 or 4 years already, so I don't expect any issues with these ones also. And if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.